Hi everyone, my name is Lauren and today we are going to be making apple cider margaritas. If you want to learn how to make an apple cider margarita, stay tuned. So the ingredients we're going to need for today are apple cider. We're going to need some orange liqueur. I like to use Cointreau. You can either use a reposado tequila or a tequila blanco. I'm using a reposado. For our garnishes, we'll use honey, sugar, cinnamon sticks. We have fresh rosemary and apple. So let's go ahead and build our cocktail. So we're gonna take our shaker glass. We are going to add our base of apple cider. I'm using Martinelli's apple cider. Very fresh. We are going to add 3 ounces, followed by 1.5 ounce of our tequila. We are going to add 1.5 ounce of our orange liqueur. I forgot to mention this earlier. You are going to need 1 ounce of lime juice. And then we're going to fill our shaker with ice. So we've added everything to our shaker. We're gonna shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until the exterior of our shaker becomes cold. Okay, next we're going to build our cocktail. This is probably my favorite part because that's what makes it really pretty, and pretty drinks taste better. So let's begin to build our cocktail. We're going to rim first. We'll add honey to a container. We're gonna take our glass and we are going to swirl it around to get the honey along the rim. Not too much. We don't want it dripping too much. And from there, we have a mixture of sugar. We're gonna add a little bit of brown sugar and cinnamon to this as well. So our cinnamon. So we have our sugar, our cinnamon, and I'm gonna add a little bit of brown sugar. And we're going to mix this together. You'll take your rimmed glass and we are going to swirl it in our sugar mixture to make sure everything is coated. And this is what the edge of the glass will look like. Next, we're gonna fill with ice all the way to the top. Today, we're gonna use just regular cubed ice. We're adding ice all the way to the top. Finally, we are going to pour our apple cider margarita into the glass. And the last step will be to garnish. I'm going to add a cinnamon stick, apple slice, and then for some greenery, our rosemary. And there you have it. We have an apple cider margarita. I hope you enjoyed making this apple cider margarita with me. And if you decide to make it, I need you to tag me. I would love to see it. This is a perfect cocktail for the fall, and we always know that beautiful cocktails are delicious cocktails. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Cheers.